gorgeous Jen. We are back with another video. Happy Vlogtober, y'all. We are like the last couple of days of October, Vlogtober, everything. I cannot believe we have made it this far, y'all. Woo! Y'all, we did it. 31 days of nonstop fun videos, hauls, a little mixture of everything, you guys, and I can't believe we did it. We stayed strong, we stayed committed, and most importantly, we stayed consistent. And I couldn't have done this without all of you guys' like encouraging words and comments on all of my videos and things of that nature. The family is growing. I appreciate each and every one of you guys. This is so much fun, y'all. It's so exciting. November, you're going to go. I'm gonna take a little break, y'all, and then we'll get back into it for Vlogmas. So the month of November, I'll probably be planning things for Vlogmas, so just stay tuned, y'all. But I will still be putting out videos at least weekly or a couple of videos a week in November, but we back consistent every day for Vlogmas in December, y'all. So stay tuned for that. But since we're in the last few days of Vlogtober, let's get into this video. But before we do, please make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe. If you're already not a subscriber, join the fam. We have a time over here, y'all. But by the title of this video, y'all can see this is a DIY, y'all. So I've been seeing so many people like online, or TikTok, Instagram, whatever, decorating their shoes with like little charms and things of that nature. Like I'm used to like having Crocs and like putting charms on my Crocs, but I've never done it for like tennis shoes. So I'm like, let me try to do that. So this is a DIY with me and you, y'all. Like I don't know. I've never done it before. So this is gonna be our first time giving it a try. Like I'm like going all in. So I have some Sambas that I want to decorate and spruce up. I haven't even worn them. Let me show y'all. So I have these Sambas, as y'all can see, the tag's still on it. I have not even worn these. I love the tongue. I feel like I can flip it down if I want, or however, you know, how to do. Super cute, but I wanted to add some charms to the laces. So we're gonna do that. But I got my Sambas on Amazon. They're in my Amazon storefront. I'll post the link down below. And I also got my charms from Amazon as well. So I got charms. They came in a 30-piece. And so they have these little bows, if y'all can see. They came with 2 pink bows. They came with, sorry y'all, my nails are hella long, so I can't really hold it. It came with a little gold heart, 2 gold hearts, and then 2 like bows as well, gold bows. So these all came loosely. And then also they came with these ribbon bow, but they're made out of like pearls, super cute. They came with 2 of these. So I'll definitely probably put these 2 on there. Super cute. And then in the baggie, they came with some cute pins, as y'all can see, with pearls and all of that on there. And they have black pearls, whatever. And then they also came with, I guess these are just like little buttons or something. If y'all can see, focus. Little buttons or something. I'm not sure if these will be able to go on the shoes. Oh, some even have like little rhinestone. Super cute. So with all of these, I am going to try to decorate my shoes, and y'all are going to join me as I try to decorate. So you probably won't see me the rest of the video, or I'll show you guys after the fact, but we're about to get hands-on into decorating these shoes, y'all. Hopefully it's not too difficult. Again, my nails are kind of long, so it's hard to like grasp. But it just seems like you're going to be able to put things through the shoelaces. So that's what we're going to try to do. I don't know if I'm going to put something on the actual shoe part, but probably just different pieces of the laces. So let's try to get into decorating, y'all. y'all, I just finished designing or DIYing the shoe. Get into them. Aren't they super cute? OMG, y'all. I can't believe that was super easy. And with my nails, it was a bit challenging, but overall, it wasn't too bad, y'all. I love these. Super cute, super easy. Again, I recreated this shoe. These charms I got from Amazon were only $9, y'all, for a pack of 30. Oh my gosh, so cute and girly, dainty, very demure. But thank you guys so much for tuning in. If you have any questions, please leave them below. But y'all, these were super easy to make. Oh my God, as y'all saw, in less than like 10 minutes to decorate and get together. And you can play with it and do it however like you want it designed. There's no like specific way to get it done. Super cute. But thank y'all so much for tuning in. Please make sure you like this video, y'all. Please subscribe, join the fam. We have more videos to come. Thanks so much for tuning in, and I'll see y'all next time. Bye.